In this video, I'll show you how to install or how to replace your ink cartridges inside of your Epson WorkForce Pro WF-4820 or 4830. So let's get started right away. So the first step is to go on the side of the printer. This is the right side, and you're going to see a small gap over here where you can put your finger and lift the whole top lid. Okay, so lift it until it clicks in place. It will stay like that by itself. It's very easy to know which one goes where. Here we have black, cyan, magenta, and yellow. You absolutely need to put them in this order. These are the ink cartridges, and on the top you can see each of them has a label telling you which one is which. So let's start with the black one, this one over here. To open the package, you don't need any scissors. You see there's a small thing here. You just need to rip it out. Remove the cartridge, and before putting it in, you see there's a yellow label over here. We just need to pull it out like that. You need to put it so you're able to read the text. So over here I can read black BK with the QR code facing up like that. Also the contacts, you see these are some contacts, needs to be touching these contacts of the printer. Now all you need to do is to bring it here, align it, you see, with the black one, glide it in, and then take your finger and we'll need to push over here until it clicks in place. Like that. This is how you know you have successfully installed your ink cartridge. So let's do the next one, which is the cyan. I will align it and then simply push it. And the last one, the yellow. Now, in the future, if you want to remove one of these to replace it, you see there's a small lever here that is locking the ink cartridges in place. You just need to take your finger, push on the lever, and then lift up. Then you'll be able to take it out. So very easy, push on the lever and pull it at the same time with your finger, and then you can remove it. To close the lid, you just need to actually push on it until it's down. Usually it will take about 2 or 3 minutes after you install new ink cartridges so the printer can actually initialize the ink. So just be patient, come back in 5 minutes.